So it has been a long day. A couple of words about Sitra. I don't know if you know Sitra. Sitra is the Finnish Innovation Funding Agency, and we have been doing in this healthcare space about 10 to 15 years, and I explain what we are doing. This is a very basic question about the well-being data. So everybody is speaking about the data, but healthcare data is if we are speaking about the well-being, it's only 10% of how we feel us. Then we have environment and social factors. There's people from TeliaSonera. Even using a phone is healthcare data, because in some contexts you can find that if I'm using telephone every minute and so, you need some kind of medicine because you are too hectic to use that. And there's this kind of, and also the traveling data is the healthcare data. It's if you have been in Liberia and you have fever, it's also the what you have a connection to health and traveling. And according to this study, the genetics it's about 30% of your well-being. As there's Ilkka Kunnamo's presentation about that. And all these things that we are using and collecting information about our behavior and our lifestyle, we have apps, we have trackers and so on. But what we are doing in Finland, we are very good collectors in Finland. We have started the system to collect information in 1628. There was a Bishop Rotfius in Turku who decided that we must collect the data. And we are very good collectors. We have been collecting data since then, about 400 years. And we have put all that data in different places, inside the rock, in the servers. There's enough data today. But how we utilize that? Because there's speakers here to say that we like to have that data, somebody likes to have data, and we have already in this nation, we have collected enough data. All this data, we have, as a Sitra, we have been involved in this business. There in the healthcare, we were in 15 years ago, we make a first step to the national-wide electronic health record system, to Kanta, which is now in place. That was our initiative in taking that account. There's also, in behavior and lifestyle, we have a national-wide personal health record system. We have established the Taltionin system, but there is others, and now the government had decided that there's a nationwide personal health record system. About the genetics, we were involved in that process in about half a year ago. There was a Finnish new genomic strategy, which we did with the ministry. So we have all that data now available and collected. And how we utilize this 400 years collecting data is that we need this information. I go this because there's. So what we are doing as a Sitra today, in this, there's not that in data creation there is a lot of data available. What we are now doing in Finland, we have just started quite a big project. Together with the ministry, we are going to change about 50 to 20 laws. And so that we are making this one-stop place where you can have all that data available for the development, so that this ecosystem and partner network, you can utilize that data. But you need a license from the individual person to use that data. That is a very crucial thing that we also think that the customer must see who is using his or her data. And as Ilkka Kunnamo mentioned, in 18 of this month, next week, we are taking in use this X-Road system, which are now in use in Estonia, and we are launching that, and that allows also to show all the people who is using their data. So all those components are there, and now we are building this. We call that national operator, service operator. We are going to give the new name for this operator in next week, but I don't give the name now. But anyhow, this is the idea that in the worldwide basics, you can have in very near future all that data in use in one stop, one company, or what we are creating here, and one contract, one license, and you get all that data what you need, genetic data, behavior data, all the patient data, if you have the license from the customer or the patient to use that data. That is our aim, and that we are doing. I think that this kind of combining these different data is unique in the worldwide basics, and if it's available and all the laws are you can use, and the laws are ready for that. Okay, that's